Feeling sluggish in the hot day? Do you have a flat power band from the mid to top RPM range? You changed the intercooler but still struggle to get over 18 PSI boost? Are you looking for the best intercooler kit for your Ford XR6? HDi has the answer for you. Since 1996, Hybrid Development International has been designing the best intercooler kit for automotive enthusiasts. HDi XR6 GT2 intercooler kit is the most advanced design to replace the restrictive, regular, standard factory unit to give greater airflow and cooling efficiency for both standard and modified FG XR6. The HDi GT2 core has the highest fin density with the highest cooling efficiency that you can get on the market. The core is also 3 bars tested, over 900 horsepower flow rated, ultra lightweight tube and fin intercooler. All HDi GT2 440 kits come with the awards-winning HDi clamps and with special designed pipes. Moreover, HDi is the only company in Australia making the CAD-designed GT2 440 side tanks with one high-quality aluminum sheet. Not welded 2 halves, not casted, and surely not with multiple aluminum sheets welded together. It is the only way we produce the GT2 intercooler side tanks for the highest quality, strength, and performance inside and outside. For over 10,000 kits sold worldwide and 3 years warranty, the Dyno-proven GT2 kits ensure the best performance gain that you can get. In a highly modified Ford FG XR6, we have seen over 39 horsepower gain only by changing the HDi intercooler kit. Peak power is also developed 630 RPM earlier. It effectively improves the efficiency and reduces stress on the engine and the turbo. It is indeed your best modification for both standard and modified Ford Falcon XR6 Turbo. HDi design, test, and manufacture. For more information, please check out www.fgpower.com or www.babfpower.com.